फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल के बारे में बताएंगे। आप हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार है तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को एंड तक देखें और बेल आइकन की घंटी बजाना ना भूलें। Spreadsheet are mutual system accounting use worksheet to keep the record of each transaction of the company. These are used to and calculate the store data in the form of table. A spreadsheet software that is used to create a spreadsheet. A computer is called a spreadsheet software. It provides a lot more advanced factorize the mutual worksheet. There are many companies that are developed the spreadsheet software. That some examples of spreadsheet software are there: Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Corporation for Windows, Android, Mac OS and iPhone operating system, Google Sheet by Google Corporation of online user, Liber or Fine are open service free software. Uses of a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet are used for various purposes. The most common user as a under it is used to present data in row and columns. It organize and store data, different type of data including number, text, and time, currency, accordingly scientific and any other type of data. It is powerful tool and for calculation and computation of data. Data may be represented in different formats like graph and chart to and understand data visually. Different type of analyzing on data can be performed also. There is Microsoft. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is the most widely used spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft Corporation. It allows you to store, organize, and analyze different type of data. It is simple to use for common users. It also provided advanced feature of statistics, mathematics, and scientific use. There are many versions of Microsoft Excel. In 2016 version provide a lot of features that are very helpful. Basic of Microsoft Excel. Following are the basic element of Macro Excel 2016. Worksheet. A worksheet is a simple gill of row and column. It is large table with 1.1048576 row and 16384 column. Each column in a worksheet is identified by a alphabet shading with the letter A, and each row is identified by a number starting from 1.